First things first, let's unbox the McLaren RC car. So this car is packaged pretty well here. Everything's nice and tight, taped in. Let's see, we have to unscrew this. Screwdriver here. Flip it over. And there's the car. Nice weight to it. Let's get a measurement for you just so we can see. It is approximately 15.5, 16 inches long. And let's see, go back this way, about 4 inches tall. The tires are 2-inch tires as well. And this thing is pretty solid. I've already unscrewed the battery compartment here. You can see that it's placed underneath. We're going to have to charge the battery. We have a right and left adjustment here. And the on and off switch on the bottom. Here's what it comes with. We have the gun, which this the wheel needs to be installed on it. So you just line it up, push it in. There we go. And then as you can see, it requires 2 AA batteries not included. The battery pack, which needs to be charged, is included. That's 7.4 volt and 900 mAh. Again, this is made by MIEBELY. So this is pretty simple. You just need a USB connector and you'll plug it in. And then it'll let us know when it's done. Go ahead. Overall, my review of the McLaren 765LT remote control car is a good one. I have to say, we use this primarily inside for our testing. My 3.5-year-old son crashed it a ton, and I have to say there's not a scratch on the thing, right? So it holds up. It's well built, it's well painted. This is not cheaply made at all. Took it outside on the asphalt and it flew, did very well. Now this isn't the speediest car out there. This isn't going to win you a track race. It's a great collector's item, a really fun toy. Does have some speed to it, definitely has some speed to it. And you know, really good gift for someone who loves sports cars, or just even for a kid like my son is really excited about this thing. He's upset that we've driven it to the point where the battery has died, which coincidentally has pretty good battery life. I think we were playing for about a half hour with it before it died. I'm not sure that it was a half hour straight, but still really good battery life. And you know, so overall, really fun toy. Definitely recommend this one.